So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is programming language. So if you are into learning Java, so this series is quite good for you. So we will begin with the question: what is actually a programming language? So this will enable us to dig deeper into languages like Java. So beforehand, we should know what is a programming language. So in layman terms, we can say that programming language is used to provide unambiguous instructions to the computer. So what do you mean by that? You have a computer here and you want it to perform certain tasks. Okay. So you provide instructions in form of a programming language. In form of a programming language. That is how to perform the task and when to perform the task so that you can get the desired output. So this begs the question, why do we even need a programming language? And why can't we provide instructions to the computer in a natural language like English? So there is one major problem with natural language, that is its ambiguity. So what do you mean by ambiguity? Whenever you say a same sentence can be interpreted in multiple ways, that is more than one ways. That is, a single sentence can have multiple meanings. This will lead to confusion to the computer. Therefore, we go for programming language, which is unambiguous and straightforward. Okay. So whenever you are designing a programming language, what are the things that you can expect? The programming language should be fast, robust, easy to learn, and provide security. Along with that, the programming language should also accommodate changing requirements. So what do you mean by this? Whenever a software is written in a programming language, the world is a very fast moving place. So a language should be able to accommodate all the changes that are present in real world. So here are the examples for the programming language: Basic, COBOL, Fortran, and C, C++, and Java, and many more. And you also have Python, etc.
Please subscribe